Hello guys, today I'm back with another tutorial. Today's tutorial is a parkour. It's like boom, 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 boom. Then get out, okay? And we'll start off the video by getting a new character. And that character is Pico walking. Simple stuff. We have to get a crafting table, and then it's very simple. And then we'll go down, forever loop I think, and if key up arrow, key up arrow, change that to up arrow, duplicate. I don't want to duplicate the forever loop, and we'll duplicate it one more time. Deleted it. Duplicate, and we'll get this, put that there, delete this, and we'll change this to right arrow, change this to left arrow, and we don't put a down arrow because it's like parkour, how you go down, down. It's just weird. And we'll go simple. This is very simple, and we'll just get a move. I just think I would like move. I think you don't have to do it. I think I usually use X, but I think move is better for this circumstances. And we'll put move here. Put that to negative, and we'll get a next costume to put it next costume to each one of these. Oh, then write 10 here. Write 10. And because, look at this. So I have to, if I walk backward, it doesn't work. So we have to go to motions, point in a direction, negative 90, and we'll get normal point direction. But now it'll still not work. You know why? Because look at this. Look at that. Just bring that there. Moves in that way. Just bring that. Sorry, just do that. Look at that. Nice. And we'll because it looks super weird. Oh, got mistaken 2 times. I think again. Mistaken. Set rotate to left, and now, boom! Look at that. Nice. We'll make a new sprite. We'll have a square. Make it have no of this, and we'll make this gray, and then we'll make it big, put that down here, make it taller, and make it shrink. And now we'll put a Pico walking, and we'll get a one flag click. Don't worry, you'll see what I put in up arrow later, and we'll get the one flag click. Okay, one flag click, and then we're going to have a forever loop and a if block, and a if, and then we'll get a key color, touching color. Get this. Touch this, get the color, boom, 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 then change Y by negative 10, and we'll now if I put this down here, this is just an example, boom. Oh yeah, I forgot a very important block. I have to put a knot touching color. Now, look at that, it goes down perfect. Get to move, nice. And now we'll get here. Your up arrow will get a, once I click, and we'll get a repeat 10 times, and we'll say, we'll have a Y. We have to put a Y. And the Y by 10. Now if you look at this, it doesn't work. Okay, I'm just going to see something. If I take this out, let me just, okay, I was just making sure my keyboard wasn't working in case that's just coding. I knew this would happen. So you'll also have to set my variable to 0 and set my variable to 1. Sorry, stop. Okay. My variable to 1. And now up arrow key. What if I change this just in case, like BB? Yeah, okay. Okay, it was 20. Change that back to up arrow. So now we'll have to make a new sprite, and we'll call this one Y. Okay, and we'll set Y, and we'll put Y here, and Y should be here, and we'll set Y by 10, set Y by 10 also here, and we'll put change Y by -10. See, now, just don't show the variable. Now, I get to walk. And it also stays in this area. So look, boo, 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 boo. That's nice, very good. And if you have any comments for another Scratch project, tell me in the comments below. You can also triple like that. Should be good. And I forgot to change the size, because it's a bit too big. 18 should be good. Yeah, look at that. That's nice. You think? Don't you think? I think. You don't have to pick this character. You can pick any character. And I hope I see you in part 2 of this. And don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell, and like this video if you liked the video. Bye.